bus out here. We are filling the bus, and it's not quite full.
It's school tools for cool kids, Publix, the Salvation Army, and of course, 105.5 The Wolf.
Well, we are having our annual back to school drive, and our focus is those families who have children who can't really afford to buy school supplies for their own kids. And so because of the generosity of the community, organizations, and businesses, we're able to meet that need where it matters the most. Publix is already providing ready-made bags for any customer who wants to come by, pick them up, bring them here, drop them off. And our goal was to fill the bus. Last year we had somewhere around 250 children we met the needs for back to school supplies. This year, because of the economy and all the other rationale behind that, we're thinking possibly 300 minimum this year we'll have to meet. DRS Technologies is by far and large right now the biggest contributor. Also have Walmart, Curbs, as well as I mentioned Publix, and of course Gulf Power.